What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Midoriya Izuku. Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Izuku from My Hero Academia. For this tutorial, the main materials we'll need are an HB2 pencil and a black color pencil, although I would recommend to use a mechanical pencil. As you can see, I started by drawing a perfect square. Each side is 5 centimeters. So without further ado, let's get down to business. First, we are going to pull 2 lines. Those lines will help us draw the eyes later on. Next, we are going to draw Izuku's face. We'll do that by using 5 lines. As you can see, the square helps us keep the same symmetry. Next, we're going to draw his eyebrows. 2 lines for each eyebrow. And then we are going to draw the eye by using 4 lines. And as you can see, they are really curved, almost like a circle. And we'll do the same for the left side. Next, we'll add the iris and the pupil. And to draw the nose, we'll simply use 2 lines and then some random lines above it. We'll draw another curve for the smile and erase it in the middle just like in the anime. Awesome, next we'll draw the ears. And just like always, we'll start first by drawing the shape of the ears and only then add the details. And if you guys want, you can use the ruler so you can keep the same proportions. Awesome, once we are done with that, we can move on to the hair. So first, I'll start with a rough shape of Izuku's hair from the front. And we'll give him a nice afro. Now that I got the overall shape, I can add the details, meaning the spikes of hair. So we'll go on and do that by using 2 to 3 lines. Sometimes it can be 4. And just spreading it all around the guideline we used. As you can see, the spikes are slightly moving to the left side. That's because we got some wind blowing from right to left. It just makes the drawing look more interesting. We'll get rid of all the guidelines. And then we are going to mark the highlights on the hair. The main color of the hair will be black, so we are going to mark the lighted areas just like that. Awesome, next we are going to draw the mask, the famous gas mask, and we'll do that by drawing geometrical shapes. So first Like before, we'll start with the overall shape, and as you can see, the mask points to the side and not to the center. Next, we'll refine it by drawing two lines in the middle, and then simply add some diagonal lines, creating those nice separations. Next, we'll draw the parts that connected to the mask. And we'll draw two holes on each side. And as you can see, I'm doing that by drawing a circle and then another curve to create that depth. Awesome, next we'll get rid of all the guidelines again. And then we'll take the black color pencil and go all over the lines. Now my advice is to sharpen the pencil, that way you can be more accurate. Make sure to hold the pencil with a firm grip and hold it closer to the tip. And of course, rotate the page so you can have your NHM natural hand movement. That way the inking process is much more comfortable. Hold it! I almost forgot about the freckles. So go ahead, stop everything and draw 4 freckles on each side. Just like that. Awesome, so now we are going to shade the drawing. We do that by using the HB2 pencil. For this drawing, the main light source will come from the left side, which means that the right side will appear darker. We are going to start by adding one layer shading in the direction of the shape. And as you can see, I'm holding the pencil closer to the eraser because I don't want to apply too much pressure, because I want to get a bright tone of gray. Next, we are going to add more layers and apply more pressure to create the shade, for example, the shade that comes from the hair. And for the neck, we'll apply even more pressure, that way we'll get to the darkest tone. Awesome, so we're going to do the same process for the mask, and of course make sure to shade in the direction of the shape. Next, we're going to fill those holes with the black color pencil, and we'll also do that to the parts that hold the mask, just because they look darker in the color scheme of Midoriya's outfit. We'll color the pupils as well. And now, if you guys want to make the drawing a bit more interesting, you can use a green color pencil for Midoriya's eyes. And next we'll give it some shade with the black color pencil, but we won't press as hard because we don't want it to be completely black, just get a darker tone of green. Next we are going to do the same process for the hair. As you guys know, Deku's hair is green, so we are just going to fill all those highlighted areas we drawn before. And of course you can rotate the page so you can have your NHM coloring with ease. Awesome, so once we are done with that, you can grab the black colored pencil and just fill all the blank area. Try to color with the direction of the spikes as much as possible and apply more pressure to get more of that black lead on the paper. Awesome, next we'll erase some of the lead that's smeared on the eyes. That way we can make the eyes look whiter. And of course clean the environment. You can do that by using the notorious charcoal eraser or just use a regular eraser. And if you're wearing headphones, make sure to lower the volume. And we are 100% done! Everybody, this is how you draw Midoriya Izuku or Izuku Midoriya from My Hero Academia. I hope you guys and girls enjoyed this tutorial. Congratulations for making it this far. You put the time to work on your skills and that's not obvious, so give yourself a round of applause. And let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section. Also make sure to subscribe, leave a like to support this channel. That way I can make much more tutorials for you guys. That's it, keep being awesome as always, and I'll see you on the next video very soon. That means tomorrow. Peace.